Look at the size of this buck. Probably one of the biggest bucks I've ever seen. Look at him. There's two of them. That's a big buck. Let's see how close I can get to him before he charges me. He's probably in the rut. It's a big old 4-pointer. It's a massive buck. Look at the size of that sucker. I'm gonna walk straight up. Hey, I got some food for you, little buddy. Probably gonna run my ass over. Look at that sucker. Look at him go. That is a big old buck. Hey, monster, come here. Come here. I got some candy. Come by my truck. I got a razor knife in my truck. Come over by my truck. I got some corn in my lunch. You like peanut butter and jelly? Come here, big buck. Come here, monster. Oh, look at that sucker. Look at him. Big old 4-pointer. He's probably 25 inches wide. I can get my truck and hit him. Oh shit, I gotta get to my truck. Look, he's crossing the road. I could be in my truck right now. Look at that sucker. That is a big old sucker, man.